Oh my God, you guys, you gotta check this out. Son of a bitch. What are the odds of four people all having children working for the Ukrainian gas companies? Biden, Pelosi, unreal. John Kerry. The guy looks like Mitt Romney. Romney, yeah. Yeah, people, what are the odds? Does it get any sicker than that? Welcome to the corrupt end of Twilight Zone. Even Twilight Zone, I don't think they would have come up with this idea. Oh, these people. Everybody getting oh, this must be the big Biden complete family. Oh, fantastic. Yeah, people that work together, corrupt together, siphon money off of people. Nothing that changes, but it's going to change. This kind of shit's going to come to a head. There's going to be laws passed that this shit doesn't happen again. And I see treason in Joe Biden's forecast. Thanks for watching, people. You just had to see this.